Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from MacMedics again. So yesterday I helped a customer with one of these LaCie hard drives, and they had bought the drive in March, and for whatever reason the drive failed. And here's one of the many benefits of shopping local. We just replaced the drive. So no having to make their own warranty claim or have any downtime. They came in with their laptop and we configured it with the new drive to run Time Machine, and then we take the old drive and we'll send it back to LaCie. So if you buy a drive from Amazon and it's more than 30 days, then you're out. You've got to deal with the manufacturer for support. So because this customer shopped locally, we were able to just take care of it here in store, and he was out of here in about 10 minutes with a brand new backup drive already configured. Don't forget to shop local, and if you need help getting set up with Time Machine, I'm your guy. It's a free service that I offer to the community. You can bring your own blank drive, new drive, or you can buy one from me and we'll set up Time Machine free of charge on your Mac. Don't put that off. I get to see customers almost every day in potential data loss situations, and things would be so much easier if they had just backed up with Time Machine.